Hi friends, today we are making Mumbai ka shaan Vada Pav. Like most of the people know about it. Uh, we can make very easily at home. For that we need a few things. This is like pudina chutney. We'll say green chutney. And we get this tamarind chutney as in normal grocery store. We can make it at home. And this one is red chutney, which is made of garlic. And these three are the like main ingredients of this vada pav. And one more thing is this potato bonda. Let's start making it. For this we need to cut middle of the pav, not completely, just like this, like we are opening the mouth. Then we need to add one layer of green chutney. If you make this green chutney like fresh, this will be more tasty. Then upon that we are adding the tamarind chutney. We need to spread this. And we need to add this red garlic powder. Like we can make it as wet, or if you want, like you can use as such like a powder. And we need to add this aloo bonda inside it. And now the vada pav is ready to eat. It's ready to go into your mouth. Likewise, we will make all the three. Now the vada pav is ready to serve 3 people. If you want, you can add save or whatever the toppers you want. Thank you for watching.